Hi guys, today we are in sector 34 and we're gonna be doing the spin the wheel challenge.
In this challenge, we'll be spinning a wheel that will decide our budget for the day.
Yes.
And the thing is कि इस wheel में बहुत ही lower amount भी है like 50 rupees and higher amounts भी हैं like 700 rupees.
Yes.
That will be enough for two. But एक बार ये spin करेगी, एक बार मैं spin करूँगा. So let's see किसका इतना budget आता है.
Let's see if we can survive on it. So first we're gonna see what my budget is.
Oh,
So I've
600.
got 600 rupees.
That is a good enough budget.
Yeah.
बस मेरा ठीक है. Time to spin the wheel for my budget.
Yes, to
again.
try again. Okay, second time's the charm.
300 भी चलेगा middle side. 500.
Oh, चलो, let's go.
500 आ गया. I'm saved. अच्छा वो मेरा 100 rupees या 700 नहीं आया वो भी ठीक है. The rules are कि हमारे को पूरे के पूरे spend करने हैं amount and whoever thinks कि देवांशी will win this challenge subscribe the channel and अगर लगता है कि मैं जीतूंगा तो like the video and comment.
Yay.
Let's do this.
So basically here's my game plan. I wanna have golgappe at Krishna Chaat Bhandar, then I wanna get some noodles from Toshib, and then we'll see if I wanna drink something, so we'll go on with it. Guys, now we're at Krishna Chaat Bhandar and let's go have some golgappas. So I've had the golgappas and they were for 60 rupees one plate, and I would rate them a 4.5 out of 5. Now we're at the second place. We're at Toshib Fast Food and I've ordered a plate of chicken noodles. So we've got our noodles. I had ordered the chicken noodles and they were for 220 rupees, and now we're gonna eat them. Had chicken noodles from Toshib and they were a solid 5 on 5. They were so good. Totally worth the price. They were for 220 rupees, and I think that the amount of noodles that they serve and their taste is really good. So now I have a total of 320 rupees left out of my budget for 600. We're at Chef Kapoor's and I've ordered a special veg thali with 2 butter naan. So it was for 240 rupees and now I'm left with 80 rupees. So let's go and see how it tastes. So now let's try our special veg thali with 2 butter naans. This was 240 rupees. Okay, so first I'm gonna try the rice with some dal. That's really nice. I like the dal. Rice are good cooked to perfection. Now we will try our butter naan with paneer. The paneer is really nice. It's very creamy, and I like that the butter naan is not very burnt. It's cooked nicely. For my last 80 rupees, I've got this Hoko Bix cake sandwich. So let's try this. Now let's try this. I really like it. I would rate this a solid 4 on 5. it's a nice end to my lovely meal. So my budget was 600 rupees and I think I'm very satisfied with whatever I ordered. So I had golgappas, then I had chicken noodles, I had a thali, and then I had ice cream for dessert. So I think that I would rate my meal a solid 4.5 out of 5 because it was really filling, and obviously I had a sweet treat at the end.
To start off my budget, I'll go to Bits and Bites and have a Kit Kat shake for the first time. Okay, we have the Kit Kat shake from Bits and Bites. It was for 160 and my remaining budget is 340 rupees. Now let's try the Kit Kat shake. Nice, a very thick shake with Kit Kat bits in it. I rate it a 4 out of 5 stars. I am at Don Clooney's Pizzeria and Cafe, and I plan on getting a paneer tikka sandwich from here, which is for 190 rupees. This will be my second meal of the budget, and I'll be left with 150 rupees in the budget now. Let's go ahead and try. Now let's have my paneer tikka sandwich. Yummy. Tastes very good. Though there's not much of a tikka flavor, however, the paneer is very soft. There's a lot of veggies in it, and it's very saucy. I like it very much. I'll give it a 4.5 out of 5 stars. On to the next one. Now we're at Chaps in Fast Food, and to spend my remaining 150 rupees of the budget, I've taken half plate Afghani soya chap यहाँ से. अब देखते हैं कैसा होगा, and we'll rate it on a scale of 5. Now let's try the last food item of my budget, which is the Afghani soya chap. Let's try this out. Very yummy. Creamy है बहुत ज़्यादा, like fresh cream बहुत ज़्यादा डाली हुई है. Soft है चाप भी, however salt थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया है इसमें. तो I think इसके ऊपर अगर आप कोई सॉस और डालोगे तो बेटर रहेगा. Otherwise this is very good. I rate this 3.5 out of 5. My budget is completed with this, and I think मेरा तो बहुत अच्छा मील था. Anyone can try this. Under 500 rupees बहुत अच्छा था. मेरे पास well balanced meal था. Drink था एक. I had chap and I had a sandwich. बहुत अच्छा filling meal है. You can definitely try in Sector 34.